If you have canned sardines sitting in the cupboard, then let me show you how to turn them into crispy fried sardines that taste way better than you would expect. It is a quick, budget-friendly recipe, perfect as a high-protein snack or easy dinner. I have tried this recipe with sardines in oil and sardines in spring water, and they both come out great. Just try to choose a brand with nice, firm sardines because they are much easier to coat and fry without falling apart. Take a sieve and place it over a bowl. Then, carefully place the sardines inside the sieve so they can drain properly. Try not to move them around too much because sardines are delicate and can break apart easily. Once the sardines are in the sieve, set them aside for a moment so the extra oil or spring water can drain off before coating them. Also, please let me know in the comments below where you are all watching from because I really love hearing from you and seeing where everyone is joining in from. For the egg mixture, crack 2 eggs into a separate bowl. Then add a small pinch of salt, but not too much because canned sardines are usually already salty on their own. After that, add some black pepper and dried parsley, so the egg mixture has a little more flavor. Beat everything together with a fork or whisk until the eggs look smooth and the seasoning is mixed through. Now, let's get our simple coating setup ready. Add the flour to a plate and spread it out a little so it is easy to coat the sardines without having to press them too much. Keep the egg mixture close by as well because the sardines are delicate and it is much easier to work gently when everything is ready before you start coating them. Take the sardines one by one and carefully coat each piece in the flour, working gently so they stay in nice pieces and do not break apart. Try not to press the sardines into the flour because they are soft and delicate. Instead, sprinkle a little flour over the top, then gently turn or roll each sardine until it has a light coating all around. Once each sardine is coated with flour, dip it into the egg mixture and let the outside get covered. Then lift it out carefully and place it onto a plate. Keep going with the rest of the sardines in the same way, placing them side by side on the plate so they are all ready to go into the pan. While I finish coating the rest of the sardines, please hit the like button if you are enjoying this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe or follow the channel so you do not miss any of my easy, delicious, and budget-friendly recipes that I post every week. Now the sardines are nicely coated and it is time to fry them. Add some cooking oil or olive oil to a frying pan using just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Let the oil heat up for a moment before adding the sardines. Fry them for about 2 minutes on each side or until the coating turns lightly golden and crispy. While the sardines are frying in the pan, let's make a simple sauce that goes so well with this sardine recipe and gives you something fresh and flavorful to serve with them at the end. Add the mayonnaise to a small bowl first, then add the crushed garlic and stir it through the mayonnaise so the garlic flavor is mixed evenly into the sauce. Next, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon because that fresh lemon flavor works really well with fried fish and makes the sauce taste brighter. After that, add a small pinch of salt. Then, add some black pepper for a little extra flavor. I also like to add a small drizzle of olive oil because it makes the sauce taste smoother and brings everything together nicely. Mix everything together until the sauce is smooth and well combined. Then, keep it ready on the side so you can serve it straight away with the hot, crispy sardines. Once the sardines are golden and crispy on both sides, carefully lift them out of the pan and place them on a plate lined with paper towels, so any extra oil can drain off. Serve them while they are still warm with that simple garlic lemon sauce on the side. If you liked these crispy fried sardines, then also check out my tuna and potato patties because they have that same crispy outside and soft, flavorful inside. They are another simple, budget-friendly fish recipe, and they are perfect when you want something quick, filling, and easy for dinner.